Eurovinil is the leading firm in Italy for the research, design and construction of life rafts and inflatable boats for the leisure boating market and for the armed forces. A careful quality control system, extended to suit every corporate sector, enables EV to go far beyond the requirements of the European certifications in force to date. EV has built up extensive experience in tackling the sophisticated problems of the Navy and the Air Force, and can draw on the critical factors that make its entire range of leisure products absolutely safe and reliable. Every piece is packaged individually, and each of its components is submitted to an accurate test. EV, the Italian brand that is famous throughout the world for safety, technology and durability. How to use your life raft. Time is a critical factor in any marine emergency, and the positioning of the life raft on board is of paramount importance. Indeed, access to the raft must be quick and easy. Whatever the model is, the painter line should be used to secure the life raft to a fixed point on the boat, to the ship's rail, or to a mooring bit. Otherwise, there is the risk of losing it when it is thrown overboard for use. To activate the life raft, it's necessary to throw it overboard and give a sharp pull on the line connecting it to the boat. This rapid movement will activate the operating head, thus releasing the inert gas contained in the cylinder that will inflate the life raft completely in no more than 12 seconds. Once the raft is inflated and ready to be boarded, it's advisable to collect dry clothing, fresh water and anything else that might be useful before abandoning the boat. It's quick and easy to board the life raft. Just jump onto the canopy arch. It will absorb the fall and will enable easy entrance into the raft through its wide opening. If a person falls into the water, it's easy to climb on board the raft using the ladder placed at the front, where the opening is. To facilitate retrieval of a shipwrecked person who has drifted away and is having problems, a life buoy is connected to the end of a 30-meter long line placed inside the life raft next to the equipment bag. Once on board the raft, the line tied to the boat should be cut, using the knife situated outside the life raft near the entrance. If there is no time to cut the line, this will break during traction in any case, as its braking strength is considerably lower than the buoyancy of the raft itself. If the raft should capsize because of the wind or rough sea, it's easy to turn it the right way up by pulling on the special lines situated under the bottom of the raft itself. Now it's time to become more familiar with the raft. It's made up of two independent tubes, each one able to keep the life raft afloat with all the occupants it can carry on board, an inflatable arch to support the canopy, a device to collect rainwater, a tow line, a ladder, 2 floating anchors and 4 ballast bags placed under the bottom to optimize the stability of the life raft. Inside the raft, for use during the stay on board, there is a bag containing the emergency pack in accordance with the legislation in force. Servicing is an important stage in the life of a raft, as the safety of the survivors could well depend on how efficient the service has been. To meet this requirement, Eurovinil has centralized the servicing of all the life rafts in Italian territory at its factory in Grosseto, and has created a large network of service stations all over the world to ensure a careful and accurate servicing everywhere. Each service station is authorized and certified by EV, and the technicians who carry out the servicing gain qualification after a special training course. During servicing, every single part of the life raft is carefully checked in compliance with the procedures and tests as provided for in the reference standards. All the equipment is controlled, and everything that has expired or deteriorated is replaced. Then the life raft is washed and cleaned, and the containers replaced if necessary. After this careful checkup, the life raft is once again as reliable as a brand new product.